If you want to cancel your Apple Music subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. This is where you can manage your subscriptions and account settings. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This will lead you to your account information. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. In your Apple ID settings, look for the Subscriptions option and tap on it. This will display all your active subscriptions, including Apple Music. Step 4. Select Apple Music. Find and select your Apple Music subscription from the list. This will take you to the subscription details page where you can manage your subscription. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Tap on the Cancel subscription option. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check the date when your subscription will officially end. Once you have completed these steps, your Apple Music subscription will be cancelled and you will no longer be charged. If you change your mind, you can always resubscribe later.